All right, Hunter, tell me about a pest that you like dealing with, or when a call comes in, you get excited about.
Rodents. Well, whenever you have rodents, whether it's, a foundation or roof issue, it can always somewhat be a challenge locating that entry point and what the true cause is of why that rodent and how it's getting in the house.
Are rodents pretty prevalent in our area?
100% with all the woods, the lakes, the fields, the farms, they're everywhere.
Sure. So how, like, when somebody calls, they call and say, "Hey, I have some mice." Like, what's the next steps, or what do we do, or how do we get rid of them?
100%. So when someone has mice, what we recommend is a rodent cleanout, because what we know is that there's already a existing population and they're already inside the house. So what the rodent cleanout allows us to do is get that population aggressively under control through the use of snap traps. Demonstrate. Oh my! And with the use of our bait stations on the exterior, combined with us sealing up the foundation to get the rodents out of the house and maintain that population and get it under control.
So is that just like a one visit? We go to their house one time and they don't have mice anymore?
So it's not a one visit. So it's a 3-visit process. We come out, we do our initial inspection, then we do our 2 follow-up visits spaced about 2 weeks apart, where we evaluate everything, the bait stations, the snap traps, and the foundation once again.
So after the 3 visits, is it safe to say there's no mice around?
With mice, the truth is that they're always going to be around. We may have got out of the house and sealed up whatever that entry point might be, but 6 months down the road, we know that maybe your neighbor has a mouse issue, or you got a lot of wood. Those mice are going to continually try to come back inside because they know that's a warm, cozy area. So they're always going to be around. So it's not just kind of a one and done thing, unless you're an insanely lucky person. You might want to get a lottery ticket then.
So it's safe to say that the clean out will take care of the current population, but the population in the surrounding areas might affect the future population.
100%.
Okay, so what's the best way to take care of it? So, like, I have mice in my house. I don't want the mice in my house anymore. Like, what's the best thing to do?
So the best thing to do would be just start off on that rodent cleanout. Then once that's all done, then we put you on one of our preventative plans for maintenance, where we control that population around the exterior of the home. And we're always staying on top of it, looking at things, checking the bait stations, making sure you don't get any little friends coming inside to chew up your wires and whatnot.
How do mice get inside the house?
So typical rule of pinky is that if they can get in through a pinky sized gap, they can get into the house. So the most common area is around the foundation of the house, around the sill plate. They can chew on in through that wood sill plate. Or also a corner cap is pretty common too. They can go up behind the siding and get behind there, then whatever gaps or construction gaps there might be. Other cases too, we've seen them climb up onto the roof and get in through like a software return or a ridge vent.
So the best thing to do is to do a rodent cleanout. Then if you want to control the current population, but if you want to control the future population, you go on a maintenance plan, and then no more mice. Or if you do, you give us a call.
Oh yeah!
Make first choice, your first choice.